It's been brought to my attention that a health savings account provider that I've been promoting for the past 3 years has changed the rules on us, which means that I can no longer recommend or support them. Let's talk about what Lively did and why they're on my blacklist of companies to never work with. I am a big believer in capitalism, so I first want to acknowledge the fact that since they're a business, they have a right to earn money for a product or service that they provide. I do not fault them for doing that at all. On the other hand, I'm also a consumer who has the right to vote with my dollars if I don't like how they do business, which is exactly what I'm doing. I've been a customer of health savings accounts for many years. There are 3 things that I look for with an HSA provider. Number 1, low or no fees. Number 2, the ability to invest 100% of the money within my account if I choose. And number 3, a large number of choices when it comes to what I can invest my money into. The reason I left my previous HSA provider, Health Equity, was because they didn't check any of those boxes. Now, for context, I was forced to use them when I was with my previous employer because that's who they chose to go with. I eventually found Lively, who checked all of those boxes. No direct fees, allowed me to invest all of my money, and endless investment options since they partnered with TD Ameritrade as their brokerage. So, of course, I moved most of my money to their HSA platform. On top of that, they paid me to recommend them, so it was a win-win for everyone. I could actually feel good about the money that I received, until, of course, they made a change. Now, some of you started to reach out to me when you used my link to sign up. You said that Lively was going to charge a fee or force you to hold a minimum balance of uninvested cash. This kind of annoyed me, so I looked into it. That's when I went to their website to find out that they updated their terms. You could either pay a $24 fee to invest all of your money or keep a minimum cash balance of $3,000, then you could invest any amount of money above that. I had no idea about this new rule because they hadn't implemented it for their current customers, only the new ones. So thanks to everyone who reached out to me to let me know what was happening. Now, I have zero issues with paying for a service as long as it's adding value. Unfortunately, Lively is a good service, but they're not adding any more value than Fidelity with their HSA, which doesn't cost any money up front, and they allow you to invest 100% of your money. For now, at least. Who knows? One day they'll probably change things too, and I'll be back on here filming another freaking video, which I hope doesn't happen. Because of this, I don't think a Lively HSA is worth what they charge for their new account structure. And if I can't rationalize it, then there is no way that I would ever feel comfortable recommending it to any of you. So I instantly removed all of my Lively affiliate links from all of my videos and updated the description of all of my HSA videos with a note saying that I no longer support the company. I also wrote a community post to let everyone know as quickly as I could, but I wanted to make this video just to make sure that I was able to reach the maximum amount of people. Like I said in the post, I can't tell you what to do with your money, but I'm moving all of my Lively HSA money to a Fidelity HSA because they meet all of the requirements that I mentioned earlier in the video. Like I said, for now at least. If you really like the Lively HSA, please, by all means, continue using it. But since I've been pumping the stock, or pumping the company for the past 3 years, I thought it was only fair to be transparent about the fact that I don't agree with these changes, and I'm getting my money the heck off that platform. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Adios. Lively. One of the few companies that I actually liked that was willing to pay me to promote them. Oh, it breaks my heart. We got no food, we got no jobs, our pets' heads are falling off. Lively, you dirty, rotten sons of